YouTube. They're fucking with the box Chevy. Took out the old power wire. Going with a whole new kit. Got two 12s back here now, getting ready to run the four Alpine 12s. Also gonna tighten up this back deck. You see I ain't sitting flush. The 6x9's back there. So what I'm gonna do is round them holes out a little bit and get those flush. I don't know if I'm gonna put two more back there or not. I ain't really quite sure. If not, I'm gonna run some put some speakers right here in the door. 6.5 in this door right here. Pioneer 6x9 4-ways in the back. These are Pioneer 4x6s in the front. All these speakers new. Pioneer. I believe those are 3-ways. Let me show you why I'm switching with this different wire. This wire right here is 0 gauge that I just took out. Well, if you notice, with this new wire, this is a true 0 gauge. That shit a whole lot thicker than that one. But this is a cheap wiring kit. It's supposed to be 0 gauge. Obviously it's not, but that's why I'm going with some heavy duty shit. Yeah, that's what I got going on now. I'll post another video when I get through with it. Alright, STL Box Chevy signing out.